Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss stand your ground laws and how they have become a hot button issue in the American legal landscape. Also, we will give a rundown of all the states that currently incorporate a stand your ground law. These laws remove the duty to retreat before using deadly force in self-defense. In essence, if you reasonably believe you are in danger of death or serious bodily harm, you can use lethal force to protect yourself. This applies even if you could have safely retreated from the situation. This departure from traditional self-defense laws, which often require a duty to retreat if possible, has sparked intense debate. Supporters argue that stand your ground laws empower individuals to defend themselves without fear of legal repercussions. They contend that these laws deter crime and level the playing field for law-abiding citizens. Opponents, however, argue that these laws escalate violence, disproportionately impact minority communities, and create a shoot-first, ask questions later mentality. The debate rages on, highlighting the complex interplay between personal safety, legal rights, and social justice. The roots of stand your ground laws can be traced back to English common law. The castle doctrine, a long-standing legal principle, asserts that one's home is their castle, and they have the right to defend it with deadly force if necessary. This doctrine has evolved over time with varying interpretations and applications across different jurisdictions. In the United States, the modern stand your ground movement gained momentum in the early 2000s. Florida's stand your ground law, enacted in 2005, served as a model for similar legislation in other states. This wave of legislation coincided with a broader push for expanded gun rights and a heightened sense of fear among some segments of the population. The United States does not have a single uniform stand your ground law. Instead, there is a patchwork of state laws with varying degrees of protection. Some states have explicit stand your ground statutes, while others have incorporated similar principles into their self-defense laws through judicial interpretation or prosecutorial discretion. States like Florida, Texas, and Georgia have some of the most expansive stand your ground laws, providing broad legal immunity to individuals who use deadly force in self-defense. Other states, like California and New York, have more restrictive laws that require a duty to retreat if possible before resorting to lethal force. This state-by-state variation creates a complex legal landscape, making it challenging to navigate the nuances of self-defense laws across the country. Here are other states with a stand your ground law, and they are Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nevada, New Hampshire, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Utah, West Virginia, and Wyoming. The impact of stand your ground laws on society remains a subject of intense debate. Proponents argue that these laws deter crime by empowering law-abiding citizens to defend themselves against criminals. They contend that criminals are less likely to target individuals who they know are armed and willing to fight back. However, empirical evidence supporting this deterrence effect is limited and inconclusive. Opponents argue that stand your ground laws increase violence and homicides. They point to studies showing that states with these laws experience higher rates of justifiable homicides, suggesting that these laws may be leading to the unnecessary escalation of conflicts and the loss of life. Moreover, concerns about racial bias in the application of these laws persist, fueling calls for reform and greater accountability. Let us know if you found this video to be informative in regards to the stand your ground laws. And if so, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.